Hello everybody, let's look at the outline of this video. We will look at the beginning of the journey Terraform to rescue the battle against manual configurations, Terraform's magical powers and new era of cloud management. Ladies and gentlemen, gather around and I share with you the tale of the brave protogenist DevOps engineer embarking on a request to simplify and automate their cloud infrastructure. One day, the engineers stumbled upon a legendary tool known as Terraform. This is created by the wizards of HashiCorp. In the magical world of cloud computing, Terraform is like the trusted companion, guiding our hero in the realms of the infrastructure as a code. With its powerful yet easy to understand language called HSL, Terraform enables the engineer to describe their infrastructure as tasks, bestowing order and predictability upon their vast kingdom of cloud resources. And before Terraform, our valiant engineers spent countless hours manually configuring and managing their cloud infrastructure. This approach fraught with errors, inconsistencies, and inefficiencies. But with Terraform by their side, the engineer could now automate the entire process, saving time, eliminating mistakes and ensuring consistency across different environments. Terraform boosts the ability to work with multiple cloud providers such as Amazon Web Services, GSP and Azure. This flexibility allows our hero to build their infrastructure across different platforms while maintaining a unified workflow. With the enchanting power of plan and apply, Terraform previews and enacts the changes to infrastructure, ensuring that nothing is left to chance. And so with Terraform in their arsenal, our DevOps engineer could now conquer the complexities of cloud infrastructure management, turning chaos into order and confusion into clarity. As they journeyed forward, they spread the word of Terraform's wonders, paving the way for fellow DevOps travelers to join them in creating a new era of efficient and reliable cloud management. In conclusion, Terraform is not just a tool, but a beacon of hope for DevOps engineers seeking to tame the wilds of cloud infrastructure. It's a trusted ally that helps them navigate the ever-changing landscape and achieve the kind of cloud management they have always dreamed of. Thank you for watching.